I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to check your transaction history on Afterpay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app. Launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access order history. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled order history or transactions. Tap on it to view a list of your past transactions. Step 4. Review transaction details. Select any transaction from the list to see more details, including the date, amount, and merchant. This is where you can confirm if everything looks correct. Step 5. Download or export history. If you need a record of your transactions, look for an option to download or export your history. This is often found at the bottom of the order history page. Remember, if you can't find the order history, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may not have this feature. Happy tracking!